So welcome to another video, and today we're going to be troubleshooting a knot on a tire and explain to you how you can tell if you got a knot or a broken belt in a tire. Let's just say that, broken belt and knot. Well, the first thing you want to know, those is link bars, by the way. The noise on this, don't pay no attention to those. Kind of hard not to. Anyway, a bounce. This thing struts too, but if you feel a bounce in your car on one side or something, usually that's an indicator. It might be a knot. I'll show you here later in the video how to, visually inspect for it. But I'm explaining to you how you can tell. Also, if you got a knot or broken belt, your stem wheel will dance like this. Dance. And a good indicator that it's probably a belt is the faster you go, sometimes the smoother it gets, and the forward you go, the more kind of odd feeling. Feels like something loose or bouncy. Yeah, let's do that. So we take this back to the shop now and we visually inspect it. I know it's on the front. I owned enough junk. So we made it to the shop. When you throw one down, it gets a little bit more bouncy. That's kind of a broken belt situation, usually a knot. You can feel the vibration, and the further you go, it gets a little bit bigger vibration. And usually a broken belt, you get kind of a wobble at full speeds, and you get faster, and it tries to smooth out, but it's still and if it's in the front, it'll shake your stem wheel like crazy. So we're going to inspect that today. Hopefully you enjoy this video and find it helpful. It's a cold day. Too cold to be doing this, actually. Should be inside. Daytona jack. Now the reason I got the jack is so I can show you a better way to inspect these tires if you need to. But let's go manually inspect the tires, just glancing at them. We know the bounce is kind of in the front. Lay your hand over it. Does it feel even? This one does. Look for any humps or anything on it. Any sidewall bulges is usually an indication. Now, I think this is the one, to me, it feels like that has a broken belt. Oh yeah, it's towards the back here. Can you see? This right here is kind of raised up, it's not even. I wonder if the other side's got a belt too. Inspect all this for any signs of anything bulging. Oh, this one's got a gash too in the back. Look at this. Can you see it? You can't see it. But there's a gash in this one. And this one's actually got a belt down in here too. Not as bad as the other side, but every one of these tires is junk. How about the back? Is it good? Is the back the only good ones we got? The back is, you can tell how smooth it is. It's even. Them two fronts ain't. I jack it up and then we try to spin them, and I give you a better, visual look. Can you see? Truck. Look at here. Can you see that? There you go. Do I even have to jack it up to show you that? That's pretty bad. You can also jack your car up, put it in neutral with front drive. If you got scotch it out or in e-brake it, make sure it's not going to roll away. You can spin the tire and look for the unevenness. I won't have to do that, and maybe you don't either. So thanks for watching. Check the eBay store out in the description below. It might be something you might need, you didn't know you need. It's a little extra support for me, but don't buy nothing you don't need. If you need it and you like it, thumbs up. By watching helps. Drop a like helps. And thank you for the support.